If you are over 50, and in particular you are a woman living in the UK, in South Africa, in Canada, in the US, you may be wondering if this chapter of your life means you are now fading into the background. If you have those concerns, stay with me because I have something different. Being over 50 is a second ascent. Why do I say that? Stay with me because I am over 60 and I am going to be sharing the experience that may assist you to look at life and yourself differently. I'm Linda. I'm a lawyer. I'm a former teacher. I'm currently a coach, and I also started writing books for my coaching program. So I am sharing the experiences of the people I coach as well as my experience because I've been where you may be right now. Stay with me. So it may happen that now that you are over 50, the children are grown, they're gone. It may happen that a marriage ended. It may happen that you are presently working, however, you can see the signs that where you are working, the company is beginning to favor those who are younger than yourself. It may happen that you just feel stagnant now that you are over 50 and you have this doubt, you feel invisible. If you are in that situation, I can guarantee you that this chapter, it is a chapter of richness, visibility, and it is a chapter where your experience cannot be bought by anybody anywhere. Therefore, you are worth it. You are rich because of just your experience as an over 50. Never ever doubt that. Which brings me to an important point. I'm going to describe this point as the opportunity to align yourself with the new you. Secondly, I am going to address you to the opportunity to reset. And then obviously, we are then going to be looking at what has worked for me and what may work for you. Let's go back to the alignment. As an over 50, you have had responsibilities. If you have children, you were responsible for the children. If you are married, your partner, your spouse, and your career, there are just so many responsibilities that face mainly women. When you are over 50, at least those responsibilities may be giving you space to do the things that you have been dreaming of, to discover yourself, to find your voice, to reclaim your time, and to ignite that spark that was beginning to fade because of these responsibilities, you juggling around with so many things. So briefly, this is a time for reset. Resetting and not being overly concerned about what society expects of you. Not being overly concerned about playing according to the rules. Actually, it's an exciting chapter because what I am suggesting to you is that as an over 50, every morning, give yourself quiet time for an hour. just to think about yourself, to think about the day that is an empty canvas. What is it that you would like the day to be? And allow those thoughts, those desires just to come. If there are thoughts that serve you, that give you in a joyful and comfortable space, embrace them. What I do know, it's common that when we are over 50, we do want to start thinking about the quality of life when we are in retirement, when we are no longer in formal employment. So I am going to be suggesting to you that don't feel guilty when you think about money, how you can have an additional income stream, how you can make money to supplement your income. That is very important. Just that desire, just the thought about money suggests to you that you are ready to receive money. How? That is why I am encouraging you to give yourself every day an hour of just quiet time. Think about things that make you happy. Think about what you can do to supplement your income. Think about what you can do to invest in yourself, in a new skill. Think about what you can do. Let us say there may be community clubs that you would like to join. Think about registering for a course. For instance, 2 years ago, I was not as technologically savvy as I am, and I invested in myself. There is just so much that you can do to reset, to align yourself with the new you and be comfortable as an above 50. Stay with me because I do want us to talk about the desire for more money. Very important. There is nothing to be ashamed of if you keep on having this desire to make more money. It happened to me and it has opened amazing opportunities because just that desire, I was not desperate. It shouldn't be a desire of desperation, but it should be a desire that you are ready to do something, even if you don't know what it is, to do something so that there is more money coming your way. It may be a hobby. You start with a hobby. That hobby may finally translate into a little business that you will do. It may happen that you decide, as I did, to invest in yourself so that you are technologically savvy. And that is why I invite you to click in the description below and visit my website, because what I embarked on does not require any high technical skill. You simply need access to an internet and a mobile phone. You can start a business just like that. Internet and a mobile phone. Click in the description below. And one opportunity led to another. And today, here I am as a coach. I am talking to you from experience, and I am encouraging you to have another income stream if you want to make more money. If you just want to add a skill, a new skill, that is still fine. After all, you do want to network with other people of more or less your age group or experience, because after all, we learn every day. I learn every day and I celebrate every day as I learn new things. Before I leave you, I want to remind you, this is very important. As an over 50, now that you have time to yourself, look after your body. Get moving. Walk. Jog if you want. Do stretches. But your body is a house for the real you. You take care of that body. Just as take care of your thoughts. Take care of what you eat. And take care of the space that has been created so that you can look after your body. Your health is very important because there is nothing you can do if your health is failing you. Therefore, look after your body. And don't forget, align, reset, take care of your body. Do consider making more money so that you can also share with other people. There are people who still need your contribution. That is why this video is for you. Do remember to like this video, and I will appreciate it if you subscribe. I look forward to meeting you in the next video. Thank you.